Okay, so once again, a very good morning, dear student. Today we'll focus on the concept of tree data structure and the tree. There are first we should know the concept of trees. Basically, the normal tree. Then we'll concentrate on binary trees and all. Okay. So I must say thanks to University North Texas as making a very wonderful PPT. So we are accessing that PPT, and again our author, the famous author of data structure, that is Saurvik Sahni, has also made the wonderful PPT. Then I will share it with you all. Okay, fine. So first of all, we focused on this is what everyone can say that see that the nature view of a tree. Okay. So what do you think about this tree concept is okay? What do you think about in your mind? Okay, this is our natural tree, we can say. Okay, this is natural tree. So you can easily understand that according to this tree. So what do you think about it? Just this is our tree. A tree is having the root, correct? This root is highlighted here. Okay, these are the branches of that tree, and these are the leaves. Okay, this is called as leaves. Okay, fine. And these are the leaves, or we can say that if I am representing the fruit here, suppose these are the fruit, it's also called as a leaves. Okay, means after that there is no any concept of tree. Okay, last जो portion रहेगा वो क्या रहता है? Leaves. Okay, so this is the concept of natural tree. Okay, so our actual tree concept comes from this natural tree. Okay, we are going to see our technical concept of tree. Before that, you should know what exactly the our technical tree comes from. Okay, so totally this concept came from the our natural tree. Okay, this is the representation of our natural trees. Okay, so we just rotating that tree in clockwise direction, then how it look like that we'll see. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this. The tree concepts comes from this natural tree. These are what branches, this is a root, and these are the leaves. Okay, so we are going to rotate that tree in clockwise direction, then we'll clear this. Yes, this is what when we are rotating it clockwise. Okay, 360 degree, then we got this natural tree is. Okay, सो ये नेचुरल ट्री का जो कंसेप्ट है उसके ऊपर से हमारा टेक्निकल ट्री का कंसेप्ट आया है. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन दैट. जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट. ये जो रूट है, रूट कम्स अपर साइड. ओके, वी आर रोटेटिंग दैट ट्री. द ब्रांचेस, आफ्टर दैट ब्रांचेस कम्स. Okay, and these are the, we can say these are the nodes. Okay, nodes means internal nodes we can say, and these are the leaves means leaves कहाँ जाएंगे, it will be goes to the last point of the tree. Okay, so this is the general view of natural tree. When we are rotating it in clockwise, then we'll form the tree concept, that is our technical tree. Means according to natural tree, the technical tree concept comes. Okay, so you should know the history of that tree concept. Okay, so you can thinking different part here, how the tree concept comes. Okay, so it totally come from the natural tree. Okay, so we'll see how our technical tree will form. Okay, so I hope you're even clear. This is our what natural tree. There is very important part, that is root concept is important. Then what are the branches, what are the different type of nodes are given. There is external nodes, internal nodes, what are the leaves, that we'll see one by one. Okay, so basically we focused on our trees here. Okay, so what exactly tree concept is? Okay, so everyone can concentrate here. So you can see here one major and very important definition here, that is no doubt. First of all, according to that tree structure, you can see that, just I'm focusing on example here. Just concentrate this example, that is I'm representing one diagram. Okay, you can easily understand here. Okay, so we are representing, this is computers. Okay, all elements, that is what are the branches of that sales, manufacturing, R&D. Okay, then what are the sales comes from that US, then international, what are the international part there, Europe, Asia, Canada, likewise. Okay, this tree is what, basically tree concept, our technical tree is a hierarchical structure. The basically I'm focusing on definition here, that is a tree is a finite non-empty set of elements. So each and every word having specific meaning here. A tree is a tree data structure. It is having finite non-empty set. What is meant by finite? Why it is not infinite? Finite means there is some specific elements we are going to store it, we are going to explore here. Okay, so the non-empty set of elements, exactly, the element should not be not be empty there, it should be having some value. Okay, so this is the concept of tree. Our technical tree is a finite non-empty set of elements. Okay, how it is, we'll focus on that. Next one, it is an abstract model of a hierarchical structure. Yes, it's a very important statement. It's a hierarchical structure. So I'm showing here one uh, hierarchy here, that is computers. Computer के क्या क्या branches हो सकते हैं, that is these are the sales, manufacturing and R&D department, and having sales having US, international, Europe, Asia, Canada, likewise. Okay, so we are representing our data in hierarchical manner. This is one example I'm showing here. Okay, okay, so we are representing our data in hierarchical way. This is the concept of tree. So why it is called as tree basically? So tree, the structure look likes, again I am revising this point here, that is very important, you can understand very well. Okay, again we are revising this part here, that is our natural trees. Okay, so tree is basically क्या होना चाहिए, root होना चाहिए, then only one root is given. In every natural tree there is only one root, remember that. So root एक confirm रहेगा. After that these are the different branches, lot of branches of that root node, then we can represent the nodes and leaves. Okay, so similarly in our technical tree there is no doubt it is a finite non-empty set of elements. Okay, this is a root, we can say here, ये एग्जाम्पल के हिसाब से हम लोग बोलेंगे दिस इज अवर रूट. ओके, then these are what, this is our root, then number of branches are there, this is called as a branches. Okay, this is called as what, branches. Okay, we can say that these are the branches, and this is what node is called as, it is called as internal node, and this is called an external node, we'll see later on. But before that you should clear the structure of tree is root and there are number of branches are given, and it should be finite means कहीं तो भी वो tree को हमें end करना है. So last node will be, it's called as a leaves. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, this is called as a leaves. Okay, or we can say that it is a leaf node also. Fine, and this internal node, देखो particular, actually this is what, the combination of parent child relationship. Okay, so this is what our parent. Okay, this is parent. ये parent का कौन child है, cells. Cells is the child of this parent. So actually tree concept is what, the combination of parent child relationship. Okay, so where actually it is using, we can use in different concept, that is you can use organization chart, then file system, there is a tree concept is used. Okay, so basically we focusing on the, this is one example I'm giving. You can create the tree in different example. For example, I'm giving we have to create the tree data structure for our organization. So for organization chart, so first application is organization chart. So if I am telling you, we have to create the chart for our college, our institute. Okay, so how we are going to develop it? Okay, this is my question. I hope everyone cleared now. The question is, we have to make the tree data structure. We have to organize the chart in hierarchical manner in tree. So we have seen there is root is given. These are the internal nodes and these are the leaf. Okay. So according to that, we have to represent our college chart. Okay. So I'm writing here, that is our engineering, College of Engineering tree we have to make. Okay, so what is the root of our tree? Can anybody tell me who is the first root of our organization is? So we have to make the tree of it. Okay, so कौन है अपना main organization का leader, कौन है? Who is the leader of College of Engineering? SNJB College of Engineering.
Principal.
Exactly, very good. So first root will become, so you can represent the root in circle manner, and if you want to represent in different shape, if you want to use a rectangle, you can use, no problem. But structure should be in hierarchical way. ओके, सो आई होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट. ट्री का रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो भी है, जो आप बोलेंगे मैडम इस शेप में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, सर्कल में करना है, स्क्वायर में करना है, डजंट मैटर, बट यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट इन हायरार्किकल स्ट्रक्चर. हायरार्की शुड बी mentioned there. You have to clear the hierarchy here. Okay, so yes, given the answer fabulously, thank you so much, please clap for him. Okay, so who is the main root of our tree is what? Principle. Okay, so we are drawing that tree here. So I'm writing here the principle is what the root node in our hierarchical tree. Okay, so I'm writing shortcut here, that is principle. Okay, so principle is what? The root node. This is our tree ka कौन है? This is the root node here. Everyone should understand this point. Okay, root. Okay, very good answer. After root there are different branches. So branches कौन से आएंगे? First branch, second branch.
HODs.
Exactly, thank you so much. Okay, so it's readable actually. This word is readable because I'm writing using annotation. So I hope everyone cleared now. Yes, there is no any difficulty to understand the keywords. Yes, student, please give me the acknowledgement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so no doubt the, let's say we are writing the tree here, that is our COE. Okay, we are representing the tree of our organization. So principal is a root. After that, yes, answer is very good. So we have to represent HOD, head of department. So how many departments are there? How many departments? Then HOD of com. Yes. How many departments are there? There HOD of com department. Okay, then HOD of ENTC department, HOD of mechanical department, isn't it? So HOD of mech, then civil, then we have started the new brand, that is AIDS. Again there is one head. Likewise we can represent. Okay, HOD of mech, then HOD of yes, HOD of civil department. Okay, so this is what the hierarchy of our tree is. Okay, so HOD of civil, then after that make mechanical computer, then we can represent the next is HOD of ENTC. Okay, and after that the another branch is what? That is, we cannot say that it is a branch, but MBA also included in engineering, so we can represent it here also. Okay, this is ENTC. Likewise this is what our root node. These are what? Child of that root. Okay, so tree actually is what? Parent and child relationship. Okay, so this is parent, so these are the child of that root node. Okay, after that we can say that these are the internal node. Isko kya bola jayega? These are what? Internal nodes. I hope everyone clear this. इसको internal node क्यों बोलेंगे? क्योंकि उसके बाद भी childs आने वाले हैं. I hope everyone agree with this. Again there are some child, so this is called as what? Internal nodes. Okay, so you can easily understand this. This is called as internal node. Okay, so this child ko matlab, according to this tree, according to this root tree, these are the childs or sub tree of this main root node. Okay, again this sub tree having it is also called as it is a root. ये सब रूट बनेगा इस ट्री का, सब ट्री का. उसके भी चाइल्ड क्या आएंगे? अगेन yes, after HOD, what is the next hierarchical structure of our organization is after HOD? Yes, anybody can tell me? After HOD, who is the next node that we can represent here? Means according to hierarchical structure, we can easily understand that the what is the organization out there. Means including text, it's very difficult to understand the concept. But when we are representing, it is in tree format, so it is more understandable. Okay. So tell me, after HOD, who will be the next node? Yes, principal, then HODs, after that, the next node. Yes,
Teachers.
Exactly. Again, there, yes, teachers are there. Exactly. So, teachers, we can say that if you are representing, these are the teachers. So, again, there are different parameters like associate professor and assistant professor. Lecturer is not there now. The only assistant professor, associate professor, and professor. Okay, so you can represent the professor having separate tree you can make, but here I'm just representing here, that is professors. Okay, I'm writing here all are professors. Very good, fine. After professor, okay, so all I'm representing here p only, this for this internal node for what, professors only. Okay, after that, after p, okay, these are the professor. After professor, what is the next node? Yes, I am showing only this branch only. So you can complete that diagram for you from your side. That is, we have to represent this whole organization tree. So it should be what completed. So if you are starting the principal, then HODs of all the department, then professor, and what is the next child? Who is the child of professor? Yes, anybody? Yes. After
Class teacher of every class.
yes, very good. Yes, CC means we have to represent, that is after professor there are SETB we have to make,
Class
correct?
teacher of every class.
Yes, class teacher of every class, एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट. मीन्स हम उसको और इलेबरेट कर सकते हैं. मतलब यहाँ पे क्लास आएगा एसी क्लास. ओके, दिस इज एसी, देन टी क्लास, देन बी क्लास. ओके, फॉर all the group. Okay, again we have to consider the first year also. Everyone should understand this point here. Okay, हमें first year भी include करना पड़ेगा. Yes, yes, anybody having some doubt? You can elaborate that hierarchical structure in different way. Okay, if you want to add, again we have to add the FE HOD also. Again we have to add this concept also. Okay, so I'm just showing one example here. You can add it. So according after professor, you can add SETB class. Again SETB class. Again there are separate CC. Class teachers are given. Class coordinators are given. Again we can represent CC here. After CC, I'm writing this whole block here. Just concentrate. Suppose after professor, we are representing SC class. We are focusing on SC class only. Now, okay. So SC class having CC. Okay. This is one child. CC is class coordinator is given. After that, who come? CC के बाद कौन आएगा? Who is the main or we can say fruit or leaf node of this tree? Again, I'm revising. First, we started our organization tree, that is principal is a root node. Always remember that any tree having only one root node. Okay. You can say that, madam, HOD also root, but it is a root of subtree. This is very important. If you are talking about HOD is a root node, not at all. It is a root of subtree, not the original tree. So you should understand the concept of original tree and subtree. So the HOD is a subtree of main root tree. Okay, I hope everyone clear. So yes, for original tree, the only one root node is given, that is principal. After that, HODs are the branches of that tree. Then we can say that this is a sub tree, क्योंकि HOD के बाद फिर से professor आ रहा है, मतलब HOD is a internal node. Okay, then professor also internal node. After that, we are representing the according to class wise SC class. Okay, SC class having CC class teacher, and class teacher के कौन child रहेंगे अभी? What the child? Or we can say that the different professors are there. Yes, this is very important. That is the major. We can say that the whole tree का main जो concept है, that is what? Who is the leaf node of this tree? CC के बाद कौन आएगा? Yes, 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 student. Who will be the leaf node now?
Student.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Please clap for her, everyone. So the student is what leaf node here. Student के बाद कोई आएगा? Not at all. Okay. So students are the leaf node. We can say that in natural tree that is fruit. Okay. पूरे organism में tree का कौन आएगा? Who is the leaf node here? Yes, student. Yes. Who is the root node?
two window खिड़की
Yes.
लगा मार फोन कर हमने मिल लगे
Just mute for your side. Hemant. Hello. Just mute for your side. Okay. Hello.
और